Hey Siri, can you read the notifications?
Okay, boss, let's kick it up with some music. Which Indian hip hop artist would you love to style
Hip-hop
head to
artist.
toe?
Okay, I don't know if he qualifies to be one, but if the genre is hip hop and rap, so Badshah is the name. His fashion sense has pretty much improved from the past years, where he's been wearing only international brands, especially Gucci, Prada, and all that. And if you see in his public appearances and videos, he is pretty like up to date with fashion. So yeah.
Pick one superhero you'd love to give a full wardrobe makeover to.
So superhero would be Superman, yeah, because he's the first superhero. I would say he was designed in 1940s, and the suit is still the same. I mean, red and blue. The color is fabulous, but the design needs improvement for sure.
The one design that makes you think, yep, I nailed that.
Design I nailed would be Red Inferno jacket. I think that jacket has like a mix of everything. Good amount of color balance, the tactical details we are fond of, the print, and the unconventional use of materials, I would say. So yeah, it was one of the best designs.
The one design that makes you think, what was I smoking?
Dandelion t-shirt, because I don't know what happened and from where the two flaps came at the back, but yeah, sometimes it happens.
Which Indian actor would you love to style head to toe?
From Bollywood, I think John Abraham, because he's quite effortless in his styles. If you see him in like public, he just wears a cargo with a t-shirt. But yeah, if you style him properly, then he can carry anything off really nicely. So yeah, John Abraham.
In your eyes, who's the most stylist cricketer?
Yeah, that's a no-brainer. I think Virat Kohli. Nobody else would qualify for a fashionable or a pretty good fashion sense, I would say. Dhoni can be one of them, but he's more of like a swag kind of a guy, but stylish and fashionable, yeah, because of maybe Anushka or the kinds of brands he endorses. It has to be Virat.